Hello everyone. Uh, this time we are going to discuss about arithmetic sequence, and we will see the definition, what means arithmetic sequence, and the formula to find the nth terms of an arithmetic sequence, and then we'll see some examples on it. So the definition of arithmetic sequence, or we call it arithmetic progression, it is a sequence in which every term will be differs by a constant. Every consecutive terms will be differ by a constant. This constant number we call it d. So to find the nth term in general, to find the nth terms of an arithmetic sequence, we can use the formula an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. For example, if the n is here 10th term, what to do? The first term plus 9 times d, because n minus 1 means if the nth term is found, we will try to take as a quotient of d n minus 1, but for all a1 plus. So this is the general formula for nth term. Let us see some example. In this example, given an arithmetic sequence with the first term 5 and common difference 4. The 5 is the first term. Remember, this time the 5 is the first term and the 4 is the common difference. So the first term is given to us already, and the common difference also we do have. So the second term will be the first term plus the common difference. When we are trying to find the third one, the first term plus 2 times the common difference. And the same manner, the fourth one, still the first term plus 3 times. Look, try to compare this number. When we are trying to find the fourth term, we are taking here 3. If we are trying to find the fifth term, we will take here 4. 4 times 4. The remaining are the same pattern we will follow. So the formula will lead us to the solution in every point. So generally, if we are asked to find the 20th term, here it is, the 20th term, what to do? The first term plus 19 times d. Focus here. So 19 times 4 will be then plus 5, which is going to be 81, the answer. So this is the first example in arithmetic sequence. The second example, it says, given an arithmetic sequence whose first two terms, that means the first term and the second term, are given to us here, -3 and 7. And find the next 3 terms, it says, and the 14th term. So first of all, the 2 terms, the first and the second given, means we can find the common difference easily. The common difference will be the difference between the second and the first term. That means, as you see here on the screen, the common difference will be the second term minus the first one. That means 7 minus -3 will be added. Finally, it will be 10. Then the nth term in general, it will be a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the third term will be the first term -3 plus 2 times the common difference, which is 10 already. So it will be 17. And the fourth term, also the same process. The first term plus 3 times 10, and the fifth term, the first term plus 4 times the common difference. Here it is, the last example, and somehow challenging this one. This time, what is given to us? Given an arithmetic sequence, the fourth term 8 and the eighth term is 10. A4 and A10 are given, the fourth term and the eighth term given, and we are asked to find the first term and the common difference. Let us see the solution step by step. First one, the fourth term means the first term plus 3d, which is 8, given to us, and then the eighth term is equal to the first one plus 7 times the common difference. Again, it's given to us 10. We can solve these simultaneously. We can take them as linear equation with 2 variables, and we can subtract down. When you minus down, a1 will be eliminated, and then 3d minus 7d will be -4d, and 8 minus 10 will be -2. Then when you divide both sides by -4, the common difference will be 1/2. Then to get the first term, we can take either of the first two questions. either the first one or the second one. We can take this one and we can substitute the common difference in place of D. Then it's going to be a1 plus 3 times 1 over 2 is equal to 8. Then when we reshuffle, the first term will be 13 over 2. So this is the best example. You can practice more exercise on it in this manner. Thank you.